In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GIF to a subreddit post. Adding a GIF is a great way to make your Reddit posts more engaging, whether you're sharing something funny, showing a reaction, or explaining a quick concept visually. In this walkthrough, I'll take you through the process step by step so you can confidently add GIFs to your posts without any confusion. First, make sure you're logged into your Reddit account and that you've navigated to the subreddit where you want to post. It's important to check the community rules in the sidebar or the About section, because some subreddits limit the use of images or GIFs, or require specific tags like meme or media. Once you know GIFs are allowed there, you're ready to begin. On the subreddit's main page, look for the button that says Create Post. It's usually near the top of the community page. Click on Create Post to open the posting window. This is where you'll choose the type of content you want to share. Inside the post creation window, you'll see different options for post types, such as text, link, or image. To add a GIF, you'll want to click on the option labeled Image. This tells Reddit that you're creating a visual post rather than just a text-based one. After you click on Image, Reddit will guide you through the next steps with on-screen prompts. Typically, you'll see options to upload a file from your device, select from recently used media, or sometimes even search for GIFs directly, depending on the platform and app version you're using. If you already have a GIF saved on your device, choose the Upload option, then navigate to the folder where your GIF is stored and select it. Give the upload a moment to process. You should then see a preview of the GIF appear in the post window. If Reddit supports a built-in GIF search for you, you can follow those on-screen directions to search for a GIF by keyword and select the one you like. Once your GIF is loaded and visible in the preview, add a clear and relevant title to your post. This helps other users understand what your GIF is about and makes it easier to find. When you're happy with how everything looks, follow any remaining on-screen